In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini free, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on microphone at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Tap on voice typing and tap on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard and tap on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!